Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking Queens. Did you know mushroom is neither a vegetable nor a fruit, but it is a special type of fungus which is rich in vitamin B. Hence addition to a healthy diet and totally delicious. So for all you mushroom lovers out there, let's see how we can add flavors to our all-time favorite biryani. So today's recipe will be a mushroom stuffed biryani, which will be very quickly made because I'm going to prepare this into a pressure cooker. So these are the ingredients we need for mushroom stuffed biryani. This is, I have taken mushroom, I have grated this. You can finely chop them also. This is the whole garam masala which has bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cumins, peppercorn seeds and 2 cloves. This is coriander powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, garam masala powder, which is the whole spices powder, red chilli powder. I have chopped these 2 onions, salt, tomatoes, cumin powder. This is the almond powder which I have grinded, and these are the rice which I have soaked for steaming. We'll be needing it for the biryani. This is coriander leaves, and this is mushroom which I have done it with the spoon. I have made it into some, I've left a place where we can do the stuffing. So for stuffing we will need to make a shell inside. We have to create a shell type so that we can do the stuffing. I used a spoon and I just did like this. You can use a knife because since mushrooms are very delicate, it can break. We just need some pocket to fill. So now we prepare the stuffing. For that I have grated the mushrooms. We will add some, first of all we'll add some chili powder, some turmeric powder, some coriander powder. Spices you can take as per your choice. We'll include almond powder. It gives a very good taste to your stuffing. Then we will put some garam masala powder and we will mix this. The almond powder gives a very good taste to it. Spices, as I said, you can put as per your choice. If you like a little more spicy, you can add more. This is how I have stuffed the mushroom. So now I'll show you how we can stuff. Stuff it nicely so that the mushroom mixture goes nicely into it. See, it's quite easy. So see, now I will show you how to place the mushroom into the masala, into the gravy we prepare. This is how you will just stick your mushroom and make it stand like this. So again, this we will just put on top of it and attach it and stick it properly. So as I told you, today's biryani, the mushroom stuffed biryani, we will make it in the pressure cooker. It will be quick and easy. So for that we will add cumin seeds, we'll add a bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, some peppercorn, 1 or 2 cloves, and we will later add the onions to it. After frying the onions for some time, now we'll add the ginger garlic paste, around 2 tablespoons. After the raw smell of ginger garlic paste fully disappears, we will add the tomatoes to it. Now we will add the dry spices. We'll add the turmeric powder. The whole garam masala, whole spice garam masala powder. Coriander powder, around 1 tablespoon. powder will again be as per your taste. And we'll mix all these masalas. This biryani is going to be prepared very quickly. We'll let the tomatoes cook and all the spices cook nicely. Now we'll add the yogurt to it. After this we will be adding some salt and some coriander leaves. So here goes the salt. Some chopped coriander leaves. The masala is done very nicely. We'll saute for some time and we'll place the mushrooms on it. We can also add the almond powder which we had prepared. We will add that to the gravy as well. We have to saute till the oil comes very nicely on it. We should see the oil over the masalas, the spices. We'll also add this mushroom stuffing which was left. We can use this for the gravy and mix it nicely. Now if you can see, the oil has come on top of it. Now we will be placing our mushrooms on this. So with your clean hands, place the mushroom like this into the pressure cooker between the masala, the spices which we have prepared. So this is how we will place it. And on top of this we will be steaming the rice and we'll be putting, and this is how your biryani, the mushroom stuffed biryani will be ready at once. So this is how we place the mushrooms. Now I'll be putting the steamed rice over this, and quickly your mushroom stuffed biryani will be ready to eat. So for steaming the rice, I have kept the water for boiling. I have put cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick and bay leaves, 3 peppercorns and 2 cloves. So we will be, after this is boiled, we will put the rice. So now the rice you can see they've boiled. Now we just remove this rice, grate the water, and we will be putting onto the mushroom masala we prepared. As you can see, we will put the rice. So now we'll add the clarified butter, the desi ghee on this, so that we get a good taste on the rice also. We'll add some fried onions. I had this, so I'm putting. You can fry and keep, or you can fry it at the time of cooking. We'll add some chopped coriander leaves, and then we'll put some biryani color.
Now we will close the lid. You need to take care to ensure that while the biryani is being cooked in the pressure cooker, we will switch off the gas before the first whistle blows, as mushrooms are very delicate and overcooking can just mash them inside. Also, once you put off the flame, do not open the lid for at least 10 minutes to allow the pressure to cook the food completely.
So after plating, this is how it will look. You have to really be careful because mushrooms are very soft. It can break while removing. You have to take care about all that. And your mushroom stuffed biryani is ready to eat.